Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import Alight Motion QR code. It's really simple and easy. First of all, just open up your any browser and in the search bar, you have to search for Alight Motion QR code. Simply search for that and you have to go for the images section. So right now here I am going to pick a random one just to show you how this will work. So click on it, tap and hold on it and simply tap on download image. So once you have downloaded this image, you have to make sure that you have Google Photos inside your Android or iOS. So simply open it up. So here I have opened my QR code and now you have to go for this lens and this will scan this and this will generate a link which you have to simply click on this website and this will take you to Alight Motion official website. As you can see, it's loading and as you can see, it has opened our Alight Motion by default. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to import Alight Motion QR code. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.